Hello class 2, welcome back to the class. Today in this video I am going to explain you about the half-yearly exam question pattern. Okay. Now see how you are going to do your exam and what are the type of questions which you are going to get for your half-yearly exam. Over here you can see the total marks for half-yearly exam is 70 marks. So the entire question paper is going to be set out of 70 marks, where you will get 20 marks for 20 marks is for mental maths and 50 marks is for the rest of the questions. Okay, so time, how much time are you going to get? You are going to get 2.5 hours time. 2 hours you will get for writing the answer, and half hour, that is 30 minutes, you will get for submitting your file. Okay, now this is how you have to follow, and in Deeposco Jainpur group you will be getting a link where you can understand and you can get to know that how you have to, where you have to write the question, the answers, and moreover how you are going to submit your file. Okay, so all the details is there. Please go through it and follow it. Okay, now the next thing, when you start your exam, okay, so of course you have to write all the details, your class name, roll number, admission number, the subject teacher's name, all that you have to write on top, and also the date and the subject what you are giving. So those things you will follow. Now coming to the next point, very important, as I told you that your full question paper is out of 70 marks. Now this 70 marks has been divided into 20 plus 50. This 20 marks is for mental maths. So far whatever we have done, like from exercise number 1 to 35, I have given 20 questions. And for each question, each correct question, you will be getting 1 marks. And if you do all the 20 questions correct, definitely you are going to get 20 marks. So this 20 marks is done. Okay. Now next 50 marks. This 50 marks, how it has been divided. Now in 50 marks, you have questions like draw the number line and find the sum. So I will write this question, draw the number line and find the sum, and I will just give you the question. Say for the example, the question is 8 plus 7. I've just given you this question. Now I have not drawn the line. What you are going to do is, you will, with the help of your parents, you can take help of your parents and you can ask them to draw the number line so that you can do the sum. Okay, so likewise for every questions draw the number line and find the sum, I have given only the questions and you have to draw the line. Okay, and how many in number line how many numbers should be there, that also you have to do it by yourself. So likewise you will get the first question, draw the number line and show the sum. Second question, draw the number line and find the difference. Likewise, okay, you will draw the number line and you will show the difference, like 14 minus 7. So how you are going to do that? Of course you know that in subtraction, first we start from 14 and then we move backward. 7 steps we will move backward, and wherever we stop after 7 steps, then we have to circle that number and write the answer. Similarly, you will get another question, draw the number line and show the multiplication. There also you will draw number line. I have not drawn anywhere number line, so kindly ask your parents to help you to draw the number line so that you can do the work. Okay. Then you have another question, show the division on number line. So all these questions you will practice at home. At the same time, I am sending you one revision work which you can do it at home, and you can send me in the email. You can send me in the help DPSJ help desk so that I can correct and I can get to know that you are well versed with the pattern. Then another question fill in the blanks. Now this question is related to your multiplication. Multiplication is also known as repeated addition, we know that. Okay, so based on that I have given you question. So here I can just read out the question for you. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 5 5s are there. Okay. And you have to find out the total. When you add total all the 5s, how much you get, and then same thing you can write in the multiplication form also. How will you write that multiplication form? So which number is repeating? First of all, you need to understand that. Over here 5 is repeating. And how many times it is repeating? 5 times. So the next, how many times it is repeating, that you will write next. And then you will write the answer. Likewise, another question, fill in the boxes. This is based on division. Division is also known as repeated subtraction. Okay, so based on that, I have given you one question and you will be doing that. Then you have another question, find the division fact. Now you have learnt in division chapter what is division fact. Suppose I write one multiplication fact, say 3 into 5, it is 15. Okay, and now I will be asking you to write the division fact of this. So I can write in this way, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and another division fact, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Okay, so in this way you will write the division fact, both the division fact you will write. Then you have simple like questions like add or find the sum. So there you will get 2-digit number for addition, 3-digit number, carry over, without carry over, all this you will get. Then you have another question like find the difference. Okay, then multiply. Now I told you when we were doing the multiplication chapter, I told you at least to learn tables till 10. Okay, you should be well versed with table 10, till table 10, multiplication tables. After that you will get a question again from division chapter. Now in division chapter we have learned how to do long division. Okay, you remember how we were doing long division method. So it is like this. I have given you the question. Say for example I have given you 35 divided by 5. I will be writing in this form. But when you will do the answer, you will write in the division fact. Okay, like this. 35 and 5 is the divisor, 35 is the quotient, 35 is dividend, and then we will do the sum. So in 5's table, we will recite the table of 5. In 5's table, 35 comes at 7 times. You can write the quotient over here, or else you can write here also. Both are correct. There is no hard and fast that you have to write here or here only. Okay, so 5 sevens are 35. I will be writing below 35, and then we will subtract. Now, after this, what you have to do? I have asked you to write the quotient and remainder. Now, over here you see this is quotient and this one is remainder. Okay, so you will write like this. Q is equal to 7 and R is equal to 0. In this way, you have to write. Then you have word problems. I have given you certain word problems. Now, again, for word problems, I told you, remember, like in addition, I have given you some vocabularies to learn so that you can understand that this particular question relates to addition or subtraction or anything like that. So for the same, like subtraction also, I have given you certain vocabularies through which you can understand. Now for multiplication and division. Now for multiplication and division, how to understand that this particular question relates to multiplication or division. For multiplication, what you will get? You will be given the value for one thing. Okay, like here I have given one question. 124 students are sitting in each row. Each means 1. So in one row, 124 students are sitting. If the total number of rows are 7, if there are 7 such rows, then how many total number of students will be sitting in those 7 such rows? So obviously over here we have been given what information about the number of students in one row. Then in 7 rows, what you are going to do? You will multiply 124 by 7 and then you will get the answer. Okay, through that you can understand. After that, like for division. Now in case of division, what happens? You are given the value for many and you have to find out the value for 1. So in that case, you have to understand that this particular problem sum is based on division. Like for example, Rekha kept 57 pencils into 7 boxes. So there are 7 boxes and she has kept 57 pencils, and now you have to find out in each box how many. Each box means in one box how many pencils are there. All the the boxes will contain equal number of pencils, but there will be one or two, can be two or can be one boxes where you will get unequal number of pencils. Okay, so for that, like how many pencils are there in each box and how many pencils are left. So when left it is said, that means left is the remainder. So the remainder what you get, you will write that this many pencils are left. And in each box how many pencils? The quotient. Or the quotient which you will get, you will write that answer. Okay. So I will be sending you, okay, another topic. That is chapter number 7, fraction, related to fraction. Now you all have sent me your work, I have seen, and you have done also. Many of you have sent me, but those who have not sent, kindly send me for correction. Now from fraction, what kind of questions you can get? Over here, draw any geometrical figure. Geometrical figure means it can be, what is the meaning of geometrical figure? Geometrical figure means it can be a circle, it can be a square, okay? It can be a triangle, it can be a rectangle. So far you have learned only these 4 geometrical figure in class 1 probably. Okay, so these figure, any one of the figure you can draw and you can show the fraction by shading. Say for example, if I have to show 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 means what? This circle I will divide into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. You can ask your parents also to help over here. So 4 equal parts. Now you have to show this fraction, 1 by 4 fraction you have to show. That means how many parts you are going to shade? You will shade any one part. Okay, because you have been asked to shade only one part. Now if the question says show the fraction 2 by 3. Say this is the figure square 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 means what? The total figure is divided into 3 parts. Okay, 3 equal parts. And out of 3 equal parts, I am going to shade any 2 parts. And this is 2 by 3. Then 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. Now this is one figure. I have to show 1 by 2. So if 1 by 2, then that means only one part I am going to shade. Understood? There is another figure which is saying show the fraction of 5 by 6. Now 5 by 6, that means this rectangular figure I am going to divide into how many parts? 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this is equal 6 parts, and out of 6 parts I am going to shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1 is remaining, and this, what is the fraction of this? This is 5 by 6. Okay, so this is how you have to do for fraction. So that's all in this video. I will be sending this revision work in the Telegram group, and you can take down the question from there, and after completing, you will do it in the class of copy. Okay, this is your revision work. So after completing your work, please send me in the send me for correction at DPSJ help desk, so that I can get to know that yes, you have understood, and this is going to help you a lot for your half yearly exam. So thank you for watching this video, and take care. Bye bye.